see several companies in several industries in just a few days. And normally you wouldn't have the chance to see so many recruiters. It can be a step up for an internship or a business course.
Career events like the EBT are perfect opportunities for both students and companies to present themselves and find potential matches for the future.
Once you start applying, it's really important to know why you want to work for that specific company. This you can only find out by meeting different kinds of companies to make a good consideration for yourself on where you want to work for.